Okay, let's do our quick warm-up. I want to see if you guys can count by ones for me. Who can count by ones? Who knows how to do that? Raise your hand. Landon? What do I mean by counting by ones?
Counting forward.
Nice.
Okay, counting forward. Very good. And who can count forward for me? Who knows how to count by ones forward? Lewis?
1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Very good. Okay, very good. Who can, where he stopped, who can continue to count by ones forward? Dolores?
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Who can count forward by ones where she's at? Derek?
21, 22, 25,
All right, very good. So we know how to count by ones forward, correct?
Yep.
Okay. Who can count by fives? What does that mean? Counting by five, Alan?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100.
Very nice, yes. Who can count by fives starting at 20? Start at 20. Who can count by fives starting at 20? Dolores?
25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60.
Okay. She's up at 60. Who can count by fives starting at 60? Lewis?
65, 70, 75, 80, 85,
Stop.
90.
Count by fives starting at 90. Derek?
90,
Starting at 90.
95.
You're right. Go ahead.
Wait, 90 has to be 85.
Counting by five starting at 90. You said 95.
95. 80.
No, not. We're going to go forward. Who can help out Derek? Counting from 95. Alan?
95, 100.
Very good. Yes. Okay.
Oh.
Can we count by tens? Who knows how to count by tens? All right. I think you all know how to count by tens. So let's start counting by tens, starting with the number 30. Landon.
40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
All right. Very good. Can anybody count by tens, starting with the number 25? Ooh, Derek, you want to try that?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 100.
Very good. Yes.
Awesome.
I love it. Very good. Okay. Can we count by 25s?
20.
Can anybody count by 25s?
Yeah.
Alan, give it a try.
25, 50, 75, 100.
Very good. Who can start counting by 25s, starting with 100? Lewis.
125, 150, 175, 200.
All right. Very good. Very good. Okay. So now that we got ourselves all warmed up, okay, we got ourselves all warmed up, we're going to use what we've learned by counting by ones, fives, tens, 25s, and who can count by 50s? One last one. 50s. 50s? Lewis?
50,
50, 100. Who can start with 100 and count by 50s? Anyone want to give it a try? Anybody else?
Give it a try.
Give it a try. Alex? I mean, Alex?
No.
No. What? Lewis, show him. 150, 200. Very good. Okay, so we got ourselves warmed up, and we're going to use what we just learned, or obviously you've already learned it, because I know you guys are really smart, and we're going to use the ones, fives, tens, 25s, and 50s to count money, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the I do part of the lesson. Ms. Bianca is going to assist. We'll make sure that you're looking around, okay? So we'll do that portion first. Okay.
I think those will be fine.
All right, thank you. And so I just want you to take a look at what I do, okay? I'm gonna put some money on the board, and then when we do our We Do portion, you'll get your money toolkit, okay?
Okay.
So I just want everybody to know and to remember that this is a penny, and a penny is 1 cent, okay? A penny is 1 cent, so that we count by ones using the penny, okay? So for example, here I have a penny that's 1, now I have 2 pennies, 3 pennies, 4 pennies, and you see the different sides of the penny? We have the Abraham Lincoln, am I right? Is that Abraham Lincoln?
They know.
Okay, and then this little house up there. And
Lincoln
so,
Memorial.
there we go.
Yeah.
And so we would use the pennies to count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. This gives us 4 pennies. Now I want to count by fives. I'm going to use the nickel, because our nickel is worth 5 cents. And here's the 2 different sides of the nickel, so that you can see both sides. Okay? So if we count by fives using the nickel, I have here 5, 10, 15, 20. So here's 20 cents, and I counted 5 fives. Here are my dimes. I'm going to count by tens, because tens, a dime is worth 10 cents. Here's one side of the 10. There's another side. So now I can count 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay? Because we know that's how much our dimes are worth. Okay, 10 cents. Now our next coin is the quarter. And the quarter is worth 25 cents. And earlier in our warm-up, you counted by 25s, 25, 50, 75, 100. Okay? And so this is how we would count our money. So I'm showing you what each coin is worth. Pennies, 1 cent, we count by ones. Nickel, 5 cents, counting by fives. Dimes, 10 cents, counting by tens. Quarters, 25 cents, counting by 25. And our last piece here is a 50-cent piece. That is worth 50 cents. Let me get another 50-cent piece out. This is a clear one. So 50, 100. Okay? So 100 cents, or we would say $1. All right. So if I were to have then, so this is what I'm showing you with the money. Now I'm going to show you different combinations of money that I know that you will get. Okay? So if I had here a quarter, a nickel, a dime, and a penny, and I needed to count them, I would use the skills that I remember, or the strategy that I've learned by counting by either ones, tens, fives, 25s. Since I know how to count by all of that, I would take the larger number first, which is the 25, and I would count either by tens or by fives first, so that I can get the amount of money. So I would say 25, 30, because that's my 5. So if I counted by fives, 25 plus 5 more, I know I counted by fives would be 30. Now I ended at 30. 30 has a 0 at the end, so they know that's by tens. So now I'm going to start counting 40. Then here's a 1, which is a penny. I would add 1 more, which would be 41. So 25, 30, 40, 40 and 41. Okay? So that's how I would count, because I already know how to count by 25s, by 5s, by 10s, and by 1s. If I added in another nickel, nickel, and another dime, I would do the same thing. 25, 30, 35, 45, 55, 56. So I'm using what I learned on how to count by 5s and 10s and 1s. Okay? All right. So now we're going to do the we do portion. Okay? So please go ahead and get out your toolkits. Okay, go ahead and place the money on your desk. You can put the bills to the side. All right, I'm gonna put a coin right here so that you can see it. I want you to take that same coin and put it off to the side, okay? So I'm gonna put a coin here. I want you to choose that same coin that I put on. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. I want you to see it. Look at the coin, and then you put that same coin off to the side. Find that coin. Once you got it, oh, there we go. So just put the one coin off to the side that you see up there. Okay, take a look. Make sure that's it. Take a look.
Yep.
Look at it real good. You see that? See which one? All right, I think Alan's got it. Dolores, which one is it? Yep. Do it, Landon. Which one is it, huh? All right, there we go. Now we got it. Okay, Derek, what coin is this?
Quarter.
A quarter. Very good. That is a quarter. Who can tell me how much a quarter is worth, Dolores?
25.
Yes, 25 cents. Very good. Okay? All right, put that off to the side. Everyone now put this coin. Put this coin on your desk. Show me what that is. See if you got it. Landon? Yep, Landon got it. Let's see, Dolores? Yep, you got it, Dolores. Alan's still looking. You're looking for it. You got it? Good. Derek got it. See which one is up there? Yep. All right, good. Okay, Alan, tell me what coin is that?
A nickel.
A nickel. Thank you. And Landon, tell me how much is a nickel?
5 cents.
5 cents. Very good. Next coin. Everyone choose that coin. Look for that. Put it off to the side. Good. Dolores got it. Which one is it? Landon got it. Okay. Derek got it. Okay. All right, good. Okay. Louis, tell me what coin is that?
5.
A dime. Good. Derek, do you know how much that's worth?
Yeah.
How much? 10 cents. Right. Very good. All right. Put that piece up there. What's that? Show me on your desk. Show me on your desk. I see it, Dolores. I see it, Alan. Yep, there. You already had it. Landon, Louis. All right, Alan. What is that? What's the name of that coin?
50. $50.
No, not $50. What is the name of the coin? The actual name. I know you're on the right track. I know you want to say how much it's worth. What's the name of the coin? Do you want someone to help you out? Alan?
$half.
$half. Very good. Great. Okay, and how much is a $half worth? How much is it worth, Landon? 50 cents. Right, very good. Okay, everybody say this coin out loud. We're good. Penny. And how much is a penny, everybody?
1
1 cent. Okay, very good. So I know that you all know the name of the coins. Good. All right. So what I want us to do now, I'm going to put some coins up here. I'm going to put a combination of coins. Okay? And then we're going to have to count how much the coins are. All right? So we'll do that together. So I'm going to put a combination of coins up here. I'm going to put So take a look at what I put. You choose that same one. And I'm gonna put this one. Then I'm gonna put that one. This one. Take a look at the coins that I put up here. I want you to put those same coins on your desk. See that?
Don't let this trick you. Don't let them trick you.
Oh, I got it.
And maybe,
Remember, the money isn't real, so.
maybe the clear
some of
one
them
will
are-
work better.
Right, some of them are very easy to recognize, and some of them might be a little not so easy to recognize, but I still think that you can do it.
Yeah, I changed the one point out, so maybe that looks a little bit better.
The first one looks a little bit different than the second one, but they're the same, so
So
don't,
the same
don't
one.
let it trick
Take a
you.
look.
There you go.
And
And remember, the coins have their names written on them on the back.
Oh, yes, very,
So
yeah,
you-
exactly.
So
Thank you.
when you're taking tests, don't let it trick you. It's written right there. The only thing you have to do is read it. Now, it's on one side, not the other, but you need to remember that as one of your good strategies too. Okay, let's just look at what's up.
Okay. All right, tell me which coins, who can tell me which coins are up there and how many of each are up there? Alan, what coins are up there?
2 quarters,
2 quarters, very good.
1 dime,
1 dime, so here are the 2 quarters, everyone, these are the 2 quarters. Okay, and then,
1 dime,
right,
1 nickel,
good,
and 3 pennies.
and 3 pennies. Everybody have that?
Yep.
2 quarters, a dime, a nickel, and 3 pennies.
I don't think I have.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Okay, this one and these 2 are the same, Dolores. You see this one? This one is the same as this one. So what was this coin? What was
Oh,
this coin?
never mind.
Okay,
Somebody
there,
has.
oh, you found it, okay, good. All right, so now what I want to do is for us to count this. We're going to see how much this is, okay?
Okay.
What would we count first? Who would like to tell me their strategy? What would you count first? Dolores?
I will count the 2 quarters and the dime, the nickel, and the 3 pennies.
Okay, thank you. So Dolores would count the 2 quarters, then the dime, the nickel, and then last the 3 pennies. Okay, so if that's your strategy, Dolores, then tell me how much is there? How much is that? Well, you said the 2 quarters, so how much is that?
50.
50, and then you said you do the dime next, which would be then what? So, so use that strategy. This when we did our warm up. If you counted by, now you have to count by tens, starting at 50. What would be next?
20.
You were right the first time. So these 2 are
50.
50. Now you're going to use this coin, right? And how much is this coin?
10.
10. So she's going to use the dime to count next. So she has to count by tens. So count by tens, starting at 50.
60.
60, and then what were you going to count next? Okay. The nickel, how much is the nickel?
5.
5. So start counting by 5s at 60. So 60.
60. 70.
No.
Wait, no.
So
70.
no, that's not 70. Who would like to help out Dolores? You want some help? Yeah? Okay. All right. Landon?
68.
Okay, so what was your strategy?
I count these 2. 50.
Okay, so he counted the 2 quarters, which is 50.
50. And 50.
Oh, I see what you got there. All right. All right. This isn't up there. This is the $50. Okay. That's okay. There you go. Oh, yeah. I see. Okay.
50.
You're right there, that's 65.
65.
So what are you counting now? What coins are you counting after you counted your silver coin? This was 65, you said. Now you're gonna count pennies, right? So you count by one, so right, you're right, 66. Okay, very good, Landon. Landon said it was 68 cents. Well, let's see. Landon said he counted 25 and 25, which is 50. His next coin is a dime, which is 10, so we're gonna start counting by tens after 50. So 50, 60, and then his next coin is a, what was your next coin? A nickel, which is 5, so you gotta count by fives from 60. 60, 65, and then your last coins are pennies, which is,
66.
uh-huh.
67, 68.
Very good, 68. Okay, so that's correct. Who can tell me, there's 2 coins up here. There's 2 coins up here that can be exchanged and make it only 1 coin. What do I mean by that? What am I talking about? Dolores?
Take a coin away.
Which coin should I take away, Dolores?
The first quarter.
And what am I gonna do with that first quarter?
Put it to the side.
And what's gonna happen then? Will I still have the same amount of money?
No.
No, okay. So let me try to rephrase this. Which 2 coins can I exchange, that means take away, and replace it with another coin, but it still stays 68 cents? Which 2 coins can I take away? Can I take away the dime and the nickel and replace it with another coin? Do I take away 2 pennies? Do I take away a quarter and a penny? Do I take away 2 quarters? What 2 coins can I take away and exchange it or replace it with another coin that will give me the exact same amount of money? Lewis.
Take away the 2 quarters and get a $50.
Very good, yes. If I took, everyone look. If I took away these 2 quarters, Lois, how much are 2 quarters? 50. And I replace it with a $50. Is that still the same amount?
Yes.
Okay, Lois, count that for me.
50, 60, 65, 66, 67,
All right, very good, yes. Okay, good job. All right, let's do another one, and then we'll do the same thing again. We'll replace it, okay? I'm gonna put these coins up here. And I want you to put the same ones. Check out and see which ones I'm putting up there. You know, let me get the clearer ones. I can see that.
What's that one?
Bless you. Let's see. Oh, sorry. I'm so not used to working.
I know, it is, it is.
I'm like, why is this
Because you're
so
turning
hard?
left and it's going right.
You are. Okay, look at all the coins I have up there. I have these 3 coins, 1, 2, 3. Take a look and see which ones they are. Then I have these 3 coins. Take a look to see which ones they are. And these last ones here, I have 5 of them. You should be able to see what those 5 are. If you're not able to, let me know. Should I replace those with those clear ones?
I think we can see them.
Okay, yeah, okay. Somebody have that? We have 3. Do these 2 look like this one? What should this one be? Which one is that? Okay, so do these 2 look like this one? So what should, try to find another coin. These 3 are the same, right? 1, 2, 3. Those are the same. Which other coins? Looks like these two. Let's go with this one. A nickel. So which one over here is a nickel? There you go. So take this one away. There we go. That's it. Okay, good. Laura? Good. Alan? All right. So now that you got it all there at your desk, go ahead and count that in your head. See how much money that is. All right. I think we're ready. Okay. Derek, would you like to tell us how much money this is? How much is it? Yeah, you can do that. All right. $50. Did anybody else get something different? Did somebody else get something else besides 50? What'd you get, Dolores?
65.
Is it 65 or is it 50? Let's count that again.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65.
I think I know what you did. Okay.
You messed up.
Yeah, that's all. Derek, tell us what coins these are.
3 dimes.
3 dimes, right? So everybody should have 3 dimes. 1, 2, 3. That's 3 dimes.
3 nickels.
3 nickels. And how much are nickels?
5.
5, right. And how much are the dimes?
Um, 3 dimes.
Yes. And how much is 1 dime worth? 10. And then we have 3 nickels, which are 5 each. And then Derek, what are the last 5 coins? 5 pennies. And how much is 1 penny? 1 cent, exactly. So this is 50 cents, right? Okay. Alan, why don't you count this for us again?
Okay. 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Very
Dolores
good.
has it now.
All right, got it, Dolores?
Yeah, but
Okay.
I put another
Oh.
coin instead of 3 times.
You want to count this for us? Go ahead.
10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49.
All right, very good. Okay, keep those there. Now, take a look at all your coins. Which 5 coins can I exchange and only make it a 1 coin? What 5 coins can I replace or exchange for 1 coin? Which one, Dolores? Which 5?
The 5 pennies,
All right, what am I going to exchange the 5 pennies for?
a coin.
Yes, you're right. Which coin? If I take away these 5
A half
pennies, no, not a half. How much is a $half, Dolores?
50.
50 cents. So I'm taking away 5 coins. If I take away 5 coins,
Uh-huh.
what can I replace it with that is the exact same amount of money? Landon?
And 25.
A 25? If I put a 25-cent coin, how much is a quarter? 25, right, it's 25, but I have 5. I only have 5 pennies. So if I take away 5 pennies, take these 5 pennies away, because Dolores was right. She said I could take 5 pennies away and I can replace it with another coin. Which other coin is exactly the same? It's only one. It's the same as 5 cents. Louis? A nickel. Thank you. Yes. right. If I took these 5 pennies away and made it into another coin, my other coin would be a nickel. A nickel is 5 cents, which is the same as 5 pennies. Okay, does anybody have any questions about that? Did you get that now, Dolores? Do you understand? Okay, so you were right the first time. If I took away 5 pennies is the same as 1 nickel. Okay? All right, so I'm gonna take these 5 pennies away. Now, I want you to see which 3 coins, no, how about this? How about this? I want to take away coins. Which coins, 3 coins, can I take away and say that it's 25 cents? Which 3 coins will equal the same as 25 cents? Dolores?
Nickels?
3 of them? I only want 3. So if I took 3 nickels, Dolores,
Yeah.
here are my 3 nickels. If I took these 3 nickels, count 3 nickels. Is that the same as my quarter?
No.
How much are 3 nickels?
5.
Altogether, well, 1 is 5. How many are 3?
15.
15. So can I use these 3 coins? I only want 3 coins.
The dime.
Okay. So Dolores says dime. She's on the right track. Who can help her out? I only want 3 coins. Landon?
1 dime.
Okay, here's 1 dime. How much is 1 dime, Landon?
10.
Okay, 10 cents. Is that the same as 25? No, so I need 2 more coins. Which other 2 coins am I going to exchange? You give me 1. Yeah, try to figure out your desk. I only want 3 coins. Which 3 coins? Are you showing that? Show me on your desk.
Let's see it. Which ones did you take away? Just show me. Which 3 did you take away? No? I thought they said these are.
Lewis got it. Lewis got it. We got it. I want to see 3 coins that will equal 25 cents. It'll equal $1. I'm sorry, quarter. It'll equal a quarter. Which 3 coins will equal 1 quarter? So use the coins that we had earlier, okay? Remember, I already exchanged the nickel from the pennies, and now here are the rest of the coins. You should have these same coins. Which 3 equals the quarter? I know Lois got it. He already knows which 3. Let's see, yep, Dolores, you got it. Yep, Alan too. Which 3? Think hard. All right, Lewis. I think almost everyone has it. Lewis, tell me which 3 coins are the same as a quarter?
Take 2 dimes.
2 dimes, okay.
And a nickel.
And a nickel. Very good. Can you count that for me, please?
10, 20, 25.
Very good. So 10, 20, 25, 2 dimes and 1 nickel is the same as 1 quarter, right? Okay, very good.
I think you're doing a wonderful job.
I think so too. Very good. Is there, can I make another quarter here? Yeah, how do I make another 25 cents? Well, don't use this. Can I make another 25 cents with this?
Yes. You use 4 nickels.
Is this
Use
4 nickels?
5 nickels.
Well, actually, that's true. Do I have 5 nickels here?
No. You have 3.
What do I got here?
3 nickels. So you need 2 more.
But I only got this.
Dime. Oh, you need 1 more dime.
You want it, Alan?
Yeah, why don't you count this?
You could just count it from the presenter.
10, 15, 20, 25.
Does this equal a quarter?
Yeah.
Yes, it does. All right, very good. Okay. Any questions
No.
on what to do or how to do that? No? Okay. All right. What I would like for us to do, okay, Miss Bianco is going to hand you out for your independent for the you do. You can use your points if you like, or you can put them back in your bag, either one. She's going to give you the fruit stand paper, okay? You have your fruit stand and your vegetable stand paper, and you're going to take a look. Okay, everyone should have a fruit stand and a vegetable stand paper, okay? And each fruit and vegetable has the amount of cents on there, okay? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Perfect. Okay, here we have pears, oranges, green peppers, melon slices, plums, bananas, apples, tomatoes, onions, lettuce, corn, and cabbage. Each one of these fruits and vegetables have a different amount of money, or they cost a different amount of money, okay? So what I would like for you to do is you're going to then use the second paper, which is this one. It should say buying fruit and vegetables at a sale. So you should have both. So everyone take a look at this paper too. And the directions say that you're going to write your name and the first name at the top. And you're going to write the name and the cost of one item from this page. Looking at the fruits and vegetables, okay? And it says that you are going to, so you bought an orange, let's say, here's the example. It costs 18 cents, okay? It says that you paid this amount of money. You can draw the money this way, or if you want to draw it actually with the numbers on it, you can put 10 for dime, 5 for nickel. It doesn't matter, each one, however you want to do it. Okay?
Okay.
And you're going to put one way that you paid it, 18 cents, and then another way that you can pay it. Okay, just like what we did, where we're exchanging, where we're saying that a quarter can be 2 dimes and a nickel, 5 pennies can be 1 nickel. So you're going to write 2 different ways on how you bought your orange. All right? So it's up to you. Whatever you want to buy, as long as you know how much it is. So this person used orange. So let's say for the next one, you want to buy a pear. So you're going to write the word pear. And you see that pear is 13 cents. And then you're going to figure out, okay, you can use your coins to help you. How much is 13 cents? Well, I would use a dime, which is 10 cents. And then I would draw 3 pennies. 10, 11, 12, 13. Well, what's another way I can do 13 cents? Does anybody else know? What's another way I can do 13 cents? Ellie.
2 nickels.
2 nickels. and
And 3 pennies.
3 pennies. I like to use the numbers, only because then I can tell what I'm counting. But if you've used D's and N's and P's in the past, that's fine, however you're more comfortable with. I just prefer this.
That way you can go back and check your work,
Right.
so that you know for sure that you have it right.
So now you have 2
Make sure that's nice and neat.
different ways of showing 13 cents. Okay? Now everyone look at number 3 and number 4. Number 3, you have to pick 2 items. And then you have to give the total amount, how much were both. And then number 4, you have to pick 3 items. Show how much each one is, and then the total amount. So it's just adding, right? It's just adding money. Or just adding just regular numbers.
So you'll be creating a number
Model.
model. And what is a number model?
Something minus something equals something.
Excellent, so that's what you'll be doing for 3, and 4, you're just gonna add one more something. Can we do this?
Yes.
Thumbs up, thumbs down, sideways thumb. 2 thumbs up, sideways thumb. Awesome, okay, let's get to work.
Laura put down. I would.
I'll have to help her.
Alright, I'll let you work on this for about 5 more minutes. You'll do this on your own for 5 minutes.
I'll
And then
set
we'll
the
do
timer for 5.
And then we'll do our exit slip, okay? So use your coins if you need to help you.
I eat a lot of things. Yeah, I'm talking like a wow.
there's 2 items that you purchased, you can make your number model right here. If you want to make your number model going up and down, something plus something equals something. Okay? Something plus something plus something equals something. Put your answer right here because you still need to show 2 different ways that you're going to make that number. Oh, like that.
And I see that Landon, he has a good idea too, for he separated
Yes.
his work to show the first fruit was here, and then the second fruit was here, so you can do that the
Nice
same
way to
way.
organize your work.
Yep, to organize it, very nice. First fruit, second
Yep.
fruit, third.
I like that. Okay, how much time do we have left on the clock?
Where does it say that?
Oh.
Oh, on here?
10, 1.
Oh, that's a big one.
Okay, we're winding down.
I'm sure someone's.
Okay.
Oh, there we go.
Our 5 minutes, we did a really nice job, and I know that we can finish this up in the afternoon, but right now we're gonna get the exit slip and see what we remember.
Yes.
So let's just flip it upside down. Flip it upside down real quick. We'll finish it.
There you go.
You're doing a wonderful job.
Yeah, you can put it. You can use your coins for this. See how much
Yeah.
you understand or remember. Did you
Make sure you put
remember?
your name on your exit slip.
Put your name on your exit slip. Okay, and put this up here. All right, remember this is all on your own. I want to see if you remember. Write your name at the top. How much is each coin worth? HD means $50. Q, quarter. D, dime, and nickel. And P, penny. So write that, how much is each worth? So write that next to each letter. And then I want you to show me on your desk 50 cents using coins. Okay? Yep, show me any kind of way. Perfect, very good. Dolores. Bless you. Perfect, very good, thank you. Good. Yeah, yours got cut off. Well, okay, thank you. Wow, nice, very good. Yes. Yeah, it was really good.
That's a nice job.
You want to do that for homework? Okay, all right. Looks like everyone showed me how much 50 cents is worth, or using their coins. And then he's drawing, that's fine. Okay, thank you, very good. All right, and I know you have your other class to do, so we are all done.